Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm just popping in very quickly to share with you a sneak peek of our Christmas 2023 card kit. This will be coming out the end of June. Many of you requested that we release this earlier in the year so that you could get your cards made in time for Christmas, and we thought that's a great idea. So I'm so excited. This is the most gorgeous card kit yet. We are using Ciao Bella's Christmas Vibes collection. This honestly, one of the most beautiful Christmas paper collections I have ever seen. It is just filled with deep, rich colors, gorgeous traditional images, patterns that are luscious. And we are going to make such beautiful, unique Christmas cards with this collection. I'm just giving you a quick look. You're going to get the 12 by 12 basic collection with all of these wonderful patterns and images. Look at that plaid. Ooh la la. I can't wait to cut into this one. Beautiful card fronts. Look, even envelope backs, so fun. Very, very natural and beautiful. So you're going to get that. And then you're also going to get, this is amazing, I can't believe we're doing this, but we are. You're going to get the 12 by 12 patterns pad, which is just as gorgeous. I mean, so many wonderful little fussy cut embellishments, card fronts. The patterns in this pad are different than the patterns in the basic collection. So look at all these gorgeous florals and cut aparts. Wonderful, wonderful patterns. I mean, guys, this card kit is just going to knock our socks off. We're going to have so much fun making this. In addition to this, you're going to get a sheet of beautiful cranberry color vibe and evergreen color vibe cardstock for matting and for mechanisms. We're going to do two different shaker cards. One is a slimline, one is a 5x7. And then to go with that, this beautiful shaker mix. This has got Christmas trees and sequins. It's just really beautiful. You're going to get a whole bunch of this wonderful hemp twine, rustic and beautiful. It's going to look great with the papers. A package of 12 red wooden buttons also will look great. And then look at these little gingerbread men. Are they too cute or what? And then candy canes. So sweet. You're going to get these lovely little miniature pine cones. And then a selection of wooden snowflake embellishments. So these are going to be beautiful. Some of these are going to be easy to mail. Some of these are going to serve as gifts. Some of these you can put out as home decor. So there's just going to be a variety. And then 12 sheets of 6 by 12 natural cardstock to make our card bases. So you'll want to get your order in. This is my card kit. So if you're subscribed to my card kit, you don't need to do a thing. It will automatically bill and ship to you the end of June. But if you're not a member of the card club, now is a great time to join. You're always guaranteed that you will get the card club. It comes out 4 times a year. And always we try to key it to the seasons or themes that work for all different kinds of cards. So now's a great time to subscribe. Subscribers are guaranteed a kit, and then we fulfill all the other orders first come, first serve through the Button Farm Club. So there you go. Christmas vibes coming your way. Thanks for joining me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on.